Good day. Today we are starting with Django 101, and today we talk about how to create a Django project, how to create virtual environments, and how to activate the virtual environment. First of all, make sure your system is on. Then navigate to search bar. This search bar, search for CMD, which means command prompt. So open your command prompt. So this is our command prompt. The first thing you have to do here is to create a folder for your Django project. So there's a code for that, and the code for that is mkdir and the name of the folder. So for my own, I'll go for my real Django project. That will be the name of my folder. So let me just write it, my real Django project. Good. So just press enter. So you have created your project folder. So the next thing you want to do is that you have to navigate to the path of the folder. That is, you have to set the path of the new folder you created before you start anything. And the code for setting that is what? Is cd space. Then you write the name of the folder you created. My own is what? My real Django project. Enter. So you can see now you have included the path. Before you have user HP250. So now you have user HP250. Then the name of your folder has been included in the path. So the next thing you do is to create a virtual environment for your project. Since we are dealing with Python here, we need a virtual environment. A virtual environment is an environment where you will carry out all your coding, all your activities when dealing with Python. So to create a virtual environment, there's a code for that. The first thing you do is that you write Python -m venv. This venv means virtual environment. So just press enter. It might take a while for you to create, it's trying to create an environment whereby you carry out all your activities. So it should take a while, maybe perhaps 2 to 3 minutes. You understand? So good. We have created a virtual environment for our project. So the next thing to do is to activate. We have to activate the virtual environment for it to start working. And there's a code for that also. So let me just copy the backspace here. The backslash rather, sorry. So the first thing is that you indicate the virtual environment, then backslash, then you write script backslash, then you write activate .bat. This activate.bat activates your virtual environment. When I click enter now, you see my environment has been activated. You can see before your path you have in bracket VEN, which means virtual environment. It means your environment has what? Activated. So the next thing you do is that you just close this command line. So you open your Visual Studio Code. If you don't have Visual Code, you can just go to Google and download this. It's very simple. So navigate to file, then open the folder you created, your project folder you created. What's the name again? My own is what? My real Django project. Let me look for my real. Okay, my real Django. Okay, this is it. This is my folder I created just now. So just open it. Okay. Okay, just cancel this. So now this is our folder of our project. This is the environment we activated, we created and activated. You cannot see this thing when you open it with your VS Code. That means you have not created a virtual environment. Please take note. So now the next thing we do is that let's open our terminal here. This terminal, new terminal. Okay. So this is our terminal. So first of all, we have to create our project in Django. You just created a folder, so now is to create a project inside the folder, and there is a code for that. So it goes like this. First write Django hyphen admin start project. Then you indicate the name of your project. You can use any name. For mine, I will use my site. That's the name of my project. So press enter. Might take a while. Good. If you notice here, your left corner, you can see we now have new folder here, which is my site, and this folder includes what? It includes another folder here. You can see some settings here, and here you have manage.py. This manage.py is what we need right now. Was to start our project. So the next thing we do is that we will navigate into the folder. This is my site folder. We set the path. You understand? Before we can do anything. Because if you don't navigate through the path here, there's no way you can start a project. So first of all, make sure you navigate to the path. And for don't forget we did it before. CD space. Then you write the name of the folder. My own was my site. Enter. So good. We have set the path now. So the next thing was now let's run the project we created. Let's test maybe we have successfully created this or not. So what we do now is to run a code which goes by this. The first thing is that you write Python manage.py, because the manage.py is our base. It's like a foundation. If you don't have this manage.py, you can't start anything in Django. So first of all, you indicate that okay, I'm dealing with Python and I want you to go into manage.py and run the server for me. So when you use this and press enter, now your terminal should generate a link for you. Good. This is a link. So you can just follow this link, copy it, put it on your browser, or follow it here. Now I can just follow it here, follow the link. Let's good. So you can see now this is our output. It means we have successfully created our first Django project. Thank you. It's as simple as that. So join us in our next video. Thank you.